Unveiling the iPhone 16 Pro Max, a journey of innovation and sustainability. Introduction. Welcome to the future of smartphones, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. In this article, we explore the groundbreaking features and innovations of Apple's latest flagship device, highlighting its technical specifications, environmental sustainability efforts, seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem, support and assistance options, and the overall user experience it offers. Technical specifications. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts an expansive Super Retina XDR display, powerful A-series chip, advanced camera system, 5G connectivity, all-day battery life, and robust security features, ensuring optimal performance and functionality for users. Environmental impact and sustainability. Apple's commitment to environmental sustainability is reflected in the design and manufacturing process of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, with initiatives focused on reducing carbon emissions, sourcing recycled materials, using renewable energy, conserving water, and promoting product longevity and repairability. Explore Apple ecosystem. Seamlessly integrate the iPhone 16 Pro Max within the broader Apple ecosystem, accessing features like handoff, AirDrop, and continuity camera to enhance productivity and connectivity across devices such as Mac, iPad, Apple Watch, AirPods, and Apple TV. Enhancing productivity and creativity. Unlock new levels of productivity and creativity with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, leveraging features like seamless device transitions, continuity features, advanced camera capabilities, entertainment options, and access to Apple services. Support and assistance. Access a comprehensive array of support and assistance options, including online resources, customer support, Apple Store Genius Bar, community forums, and online training sessions, to troubleshoot issues, get advice, and learn new skills. Quick links and resources. Navigate the iPhone 16 Pro Max effortlessly with quick access to settings, the App Store, Apple Support app, Safari browser, Apple Music, Apple TV app, and App Library, ensuring a streamlined and intuitive user experience. Conclusion. The iPhone 16 Pro Max epitomizes innovation, sustainability, and user empowerment, offering unparalleled performance, seamless integration, and environmental responsibility. With this device, users embark on a journey of creativity, productivity, and connectivity that sets new standards in the world of smartphones, shaping the future of technology for generations to come.